DC motor and generator. A DC motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, while a DC generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. A DC motor is an electrical machine that converts direct current electrical energy into mechanical motion. The DC motor works based on the principle that when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. This force causes the armature to rotate, producing mechanical motion. Main parts of a DC motor. Number 1. Armature, the rotating part of the motor. Number 2. Field winding, produces the magnetic field. Number 3. Commutator, reverse current direct. DC motor are commonly used in electric vehicles, cranes and hoists, fans, elevator, industrial machine. A DC generator is a machine that converts mechanical energy into direct current electrical energy. A DC generator works based on electromagnetic induction. When the armature rotates inside a magnetic field, it generates voltage and produces electrical energy. Main parts of DC generator: armature, field winding, commutator, brushes, shaft. DC generators are used in battery charging, DC power supply system, laboratories, backup power system. Difference between DC motor and generator and DC generator. DC motor converts electrical energy to mechanical energy, requires DC power supply, produces motion. DC generator converts mechanical energy to electrical energy, requires mechanical rotation, produces electricity. Conclusion: DC motors and generators are important electrical machine. A DC motor produces motion from electricity, while a DC generator produces electricity from motion. But machines are widely used in industrial